999. What is meant for you is coming, it's already yours. There is nothing and no one that can stop that. You don't need to worry, just enjoy the present moment and focus on peace, love, and good feelings. Let your best self shine. Type yes to receive. Recognize your blessings and watch them multiply over time. You will never be placed in a storm that you cannot navigate your way out of. The universe does not want you to break down. It wants you to break free. Your golden chapter begins now. Type yes if you agree.